Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change modifier keys on your Magic Keyboard on iPad Pro M5. First, you have to open Settings on your iPad, then select General section on the sidebar and scroll down to Keyboard. Select Hardware Keyboard in the following menu and here select Modifier keys. And now you can replace your modifier keys with other modifier keys, basically, by selecting the key that you want to remap for the one that you selected. And if you want to restore default settings, tap right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.